here is Sungju Lim, one of my students. This is Michael, and we're in our TOEFL class, and Sungju Lim is doing the Rubik's Cube. He's going to try to do it in 2 minutes and get all the sides the same color. So here he goes right here. And here's some of my other students. How's it going, guys?
Good. I mix it well.
He's getting almost all the white ones in there. There it is. He's got the white done.
In my country, 20 is not fast. It's just normal. Yeah.
2 minutes is not fast?
Yeah.
In Korea, it's slow.
Yeah, it's cool.
You're at about 1 minute and 10 seconds right now. Oh, he's got almost all the yellow. Wow.
Oh,
Oh, did you mess up?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, it's okay. Maybe 2 and 30 seconds, maybe. I'm not sure.
And I should tell you guys, everyone watching the video right now, I asked Sungju Lim, I said, what's harder, English grammar or the Rubik's Cube? And he said learning English grammar was more complicated than doing the Rubik's Cube and getting all sides the same color in 2 minutes. This is still pretty tough. You know what? There's not many people that can do it. Even in 24 hours, they can't get all the sides the same color. Even in a week, they can't do it.
Okay.
Wow!
He got it. There it is. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah, he did it.
How many minutes?
It was about 2 minutes even.
Ah,
Good job.
Good job.
Wow, that's fast, man.